What size is the wheel? Do you know?
You know, I don't.
I can probably get it just from the model number. Yeah, they're all the same. Travel looks like it's what, about 36 maybe?
Yeah.
And like you said, it's all manual, right?
Right. So travel's more like 24.
24. And in Y it's probably 10 maybe, 8 or 9.
In Thursday Truthstone, the president said he shares his hero.
618, I wonder if that means 6 inches.
Yeah, that's actually what it means.
Yeah.
That's actually what it means. Can you move the Z for me? What I call Z. That's actually, yeah, what that model number means. So it means it's going to be 18 in X and probably 6 in the Y.
Right.
That's probably the size of your chuck too. Can you measure the size of the chuck really quick?
6'5".
18?
Yep.
There you go.